Hi, I'm Larry Shover, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago. Well, today's CME asset vol is a much different story than we've seen in days, maybe even weeks. All asset class volatility is up today. It's kind of strange. We have a mini risk off day. Most commodities are off or trading below the tape. We have the equities trading near the flat line most of the day. Nothing significant except perhaps gold. Gold down $25 today. However, volatilities are all snapping back. I think what it is that people are just sick and tired of this fiscal cliff, realizing that perhaps a deal will not get done by the end of the year. Let's start with equity vol. If you look at the VIX, it's up 3% right now. A pretty big move in the VIX. 1 month vol seems to be up pretty high, especially in the NASDAQ right now. That's getting term structure to steepen ever so slightly. The Dow and the S&P implied about the same, but the VIX up 3%. Another thing, moving on to G7 currencies, up about 0.5% in aggregate today. Notably, Australian dollar vol actually has come off a little bit with that expected rate decline last night, but by and large, in aggregate, the euro is up about 0.5% with the G7 currencies, given the dollar just getting pummeled again, once again today. Interest rate fixed income, that's up 0.5% as well, especially when you look at 10-year. 10-year seems to be leading the charge. Again, it seems like perhaps we're losing our safe haven status. People are worried that this is not getting done. So we're seeing 10-year yield, 10-year volatility up about 0.5% on the day. Moving on to energy products, oil, natural gas, in aggregate up about 1.5% today, 1 month vol, something we haven't seen in quite a while. It seems on the risk-off environment, we see oil down right now, but I think it's more of a concern of what's going to happen in the next 2 to 3 weeks. It seems like a whole lot of nothing. One of the big outliers today is gold. Gold vol, as judged by the ETF, looking at that gold, is up 3% on the day. That's judging 1 month volatility. Silver up just about the same. Copper up about 1.5%. Copper open on the day in the green, now in the red, falling off the map with everything else in the base metals. I'm Larry Shover, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago.